We'll guide you through how to set up a SIM card lock. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this can be really useful to do because it's going to go and keep the SIM card secure, as without it, it then can't go and be used. Messages can't be sent, phone calls can't be made. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's a full guide so you know what to do. I like doing this as then the SIM card can't be used by other people without knowing the PIN, and it goes and keeps it authorized only to me, so it can't go and be used unauthorized. So to do this, we actually need to go into the settings on our phone. So to get started, you need to go and swipe up, and then you need to go and find settings like so. Wait for them to go and open up, press it again if they don't open. If you struggle to find them, you can always go and search at the top for settings. Now in here, you need to go right to the top and you need to go and find the option for connections, and you can go and tap here, wait for this to load. Now what you need to do is go down and you need to go and find SIM Manager, go and tap on it. If you've got multiple SIM cards, they'll go and show at the top. You can see I only have one. I'm just going to have to go and hide my number. What you want to do is you want to go down and find the option for more SIM settings at the bottom. Then it'll go and say about SIM card security, which you want to go and tap on. Now at the top, you can go and see lock SIM card. It says require your SIM card PIN to unlock and use your SIM card. So it's going to go and then keep it locked and keep it sort of secure. So what you can do is go and switch this on. Now what we can do here is it's going to go and ask for your current SIM card PIN. And you may be thinking, well, I haven't gone and set this up before. So we can actually go and find this, as there's going to be a default one for your SIM card. So you can press cancel and press back. So if we press back again, you want to go and find the SIM card you're doing this with and find the provider. So I can see here, this is EE. So then what I can do is come out of here, open up a web browser, I'll use Chrome. Then we can go and press search, and we can go and type in default SIM PIN EE. I'll press go. So then hopefully we can get the result. We can see the default SIM PIN is 4 ones. So then I can come back to our settings. Then what you want to do is come back to more SIM settings, SIM card security, and you want to go and switch on the lock. Now that we know it, we want to go and enter it in to go and turn this on, and then we can go and change it, because of course, if it's a default one, somebody could just go and type in the default one and probably go and get it that way. So we want to go and change it. So let's go and enter in the default one, which is 4 ones, and I'll press OK. So it's now switched on, and what you can do is press change SIM card PIN, and then what we can do is go and enter in the current one, which is that default one still, and press OK. And now we can go and enter in a new one. So here we obviously want to be careful, because once this is set, we can't go and reset it. So make sure it's something you're definitely going to go and remember, and something secure as well, of course, and that somebody can't easily go and guess. So in this case, I am, for this example, just going to make it 4 zeros just because it's for this video. But of course, I'd actually make something much more secure. And then you can go and press OK. And then what we need to do is go and confirm it. You're going to go and notice thing about attempts left. And essentially this means if you run out of attempts, you can go and lock the SIM, and you need to go and get it unlocked by your carrier and provider. Let me press OK. So that's it. It's now been successfully changed. So you're going to go and find that if you go and turn off your phone and turn it back on completely, we ask for it. Or if you go and put the SIM card into it, it's going to ask you for the PIN as well. And then it can't go and be used without it. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to find more guides like this, make sure you go and check out the GuideRealm channel. We've got loads on there and loads more to come as well. And there's other guides covering a wide range of different devices, softwares and operating systems, and much more, and games as well. So something's going to go and help you out in the future, I'm sure. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to go and put in the comments. I look forward to going and reading them. And that's it. I look forward to catch you in the next how-to, and we can go and solve your next problem. I hope you guys have a great day and that we've gone and helped you solve this problem, and that's it.